Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of our videos. I'm down at the allotment. I have to film this on my phone because my cameraman's not here with me this morning. I had to go out this morning, so I just passed by to water and give everything a good water till Friday. We're back down here again. So just going through my plants, just checking everything's okay. These are my carrots. Got the herbs on the side, sage, parsley, a curry leaf, oregano, which is doing exceptionally well. I'm going to try and trim that down a bit. And I've got a parsley at the end, what I've got to sort out. Got all my tomatoes on the ground. These ones here are to give away, but I'm just waiting till they come up a bit more. Got some cucumbers there, sweet corn all over the place. Those in the bucket is physalis, and this is my daughter's mystery plant. Don't know what that is. She found a seed or something and she put it in a pot, so it's decided to come through now. These are the spring onions. Let's see, they're scatter. The amount of seeds what you put in things and they don't come. These are some sweet peppers here. We've got some pumpkins what's just starting to come up now. These are crown prince and the corn behind it. These are the first lot of corn what I've got. You can see they're doing quite well now. That's how you want them, nice and thick, so when they go in the ground they've already got their nice roots, so they don't take that long. The Edo, you can see that's putting on its leaves now, sending up side shoots and everything. Peas is doing, and beans are doing okay. Why everything looks lean to one side is because I just watered them. Got a Scotch bonnet up there, Scotch bonnet here, which was overwintered one. Scotch bonnet, got 4 growing out of them seeds what I planted. Don't know if they're going to survive or not, but I'll just leave them there for now. Right, got some lettuce in there what's just starting to come up. This is the red rhodum. They're just leaned to one side. These are the beetroots, just water them so they all look leaned up. Another nice healthy Scotch bonnet there, some little Scotch bonnets there, more Scotch bonnets. So that's what I'm not really bothering too much with chilies this year, although I can get them, I'm not bothering them. This is my chocho or coyote plant here what I brought from home. Put it in there so it's hardening off in there so when it's ready to go out. These are the herbs that I've got in here. Got marjoram, what is this? Isop, and what's this red one again? What I like, red lava. The lettuces you can see doing pretty well in this bed here till when I take all the pots out. Got all the pumpkins doing quite well. Got some just coming through now what I had to redo, so we'll have pumpkin plants. I'll have some to give away. Got all my melon plants at the back, some lettuces over there. Got some more melons in here, which is the Charleston I think it is, and got my courgettes down there. See, you can see that they're starting to flower and fruit already, even although they're in the polytunnel they're starting to fruit. It's cool to the heat. Got another bed of carrots up there. All the lettuces are doing quite well. spinach is doing quite well. I've got thyme in here, what's doing quite well. The tomatoes, what I put in the hanging basket, which is the tumbling tomatoes and the trailing ones, and they seem to be all right up here so far till when they're ready to go out. The swede, never grown it before, so I don't know how it grows. I know it's meant to grow like a turnip sort of thing, so just leave that there. So I'm just showing you everything what's inside. That's what my polytunnel looks like. I had to take out the potato buckets a couple of weeks ago, but you can see that everything's coming along nicely in there. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them. This is the yard long beans here. They're coming along nicely. Yeah, everybody's anxious to get things into the ground. I'm anxious to get things out of here so I can get my spacing sorted out, know what I'm doing. But it's just one of those things what you just have to persevere with. I started leaving one of the sections on the polytunnel open because in here was getting way too hot. It's 25 in here now and we're having a very murky day. Right, these are my lilies, my favourite flowers. I wish I had some more pots of these, but I'll sort that out later on. I'm going to try and get a couple of pots like this on the allotment. And these are my cabbages. I don't know if you can see them because I've got netted over there to protect them, so they're doing pretty well. And these ones over here are starting to spring up. Just hoping I see something cutting holes in the leaves, but it's just one of those things what you have to cope with. So that's more. Oh yeah, I've got this potato what was here, what my daughter found. She put it in there. You can see it's starting to come through now, and more or less everything's doing okay so far. Just got some weeding to do as soon as it rains, you know, the weeds. These are my elephant garlics. I took down the bean frame. I've got to rebuild that somehow. Don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to have to do that. These are chard and spinach here. I've got broad beans here. You can see they're doing exceptionally well, nice and healthy and flowering and everything. I wanted to get these out before I put in the corn, but they might still be in there. Got the onions up here and garlic. Got all this section what was here where there are 3 stumps was. Got them taken down and went to a meeting on Sunday and gave me my money back what I paid because they should have taken them down in the first place. These are strawberry plants. Got to weed this out. If the weather's okay on Friday, I've got this bed to sort out. You can see the spinach and how much I've got here and garlic, and I can see that let me go around to that fig tree because I didn't even notice how it was doing. This fig tree, I've got 2 of them, but I didn't realise how many figs this one had on it. It's coming along nicely. Every year I put manure in there, and then when it goes down, I put the wood chips on top. So that's what's, I don't know if that's what's keeping it healthy, but there seemed to be a lot on there this time. So hopefully, I think this is a brown turkey. I don't know what the other one was. And I've got my gladiolis starting to come up, not that many, but I've got this to weed out, but I haven't seen my neighbour to know what he's doing with this fencing, so I can sort out myself. These are the giant white garlics. Don't know, I see them doubles coming out, so I don't know if they're ready yet or if they're send out scapes as well. Might have to pull out one next time and see what's happening with those. Got the rhododendron here. Yeah, these are all weeds. And I've got a peony here, which is starting to bulb up nicely. These are Brussels sprouts down here. Cabbages, pak choi. Still got a little bit of tidying up to do, not much. I just got to sort out all these pots and everything, put them in one place, and then give everything just a quick going over. So that's how it goes. Thanks to all those new subscriber what's coming on board. This is a hydrangea. I've got to trim that up and make it look a bit neater. And this is I forgot what this one is. I saw the label down here for it. This is called Winter Angel. So that's everything. So like I said, if you like our videos, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.